Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture series of GATE Engineering Mathematics. So far we have completed our differential calculus and we have started the integral calculus and we have completed the definite integrals subtopic in integral calculus. So now let's see the gamma function. So in this video gamma function గురించి discuss చేద్దాం. So gamma function అంటే ఏంటంటే gamma function. So it is nothing but one kind of definite integral only. So let's see in detail now. So gamma function is defined as like this, denoted as gamma of n, which is equal to integral from 0 to infinity e to the power of minus x into x power n minus 1 dx, where our n should be greater than 0. N should be greater than 0. So this is the gamma function, very important. Yes. So ఇక్కడ n ఏదైతే అవుతుందో so that value will be placed here. So gamma of n. So ఒకవేళ n2 అయితే gamma of 2, like that. So this is one kind of definite integral only. So which includes exponential function and polynomial function. Simple, very easy. Okay. So let's find out the gamma 1 now. So gamma 1 అవుతుంది which will be integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus x into 1 minus 1. So x power 0. So x power 0 dx. So which will be integral 0 to infinity e power minus x dx. So which will be e to the power of minus x upon minus 1 and limits are from 0 to infinity. So which will be minus of e to the power of minus infinity minus e power 0. So which is equal to minus of e power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is 1. So which will be 1. So therefore our gamma 1 value is 1. Yes. So like this we have to solve and we have to find out. Alright. So let's see some standard results regarding these gamma functions. So which are very important for problem solving. Yeah, let's see the standard results. Yeah, in the first already we have derived it, that is nothing but gamma 1 is equal to 1. Okay. And the second one is gamma 1 by 2. So better to remember this. So if we derive this, we will get root by. Yes. So better to remember this. Gamma 1 by 2 is root by. And the third one is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. So this is very important property. And gamma n plus 1 can also be written as n factorial. Where n is positive integer, already we have seen that n greater than 0. So gamma will be defined only for n values from greater than 0. Okay. And the fifth one is, so this one only, the third property nunchi gamma n avutadi. So gamma n will become gamma n plus 1 upon n. So yes, ఈ 5 properties అనేవి చాలా important for problem solving. Yeah. So first this property gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n, and from this gamma n is equal to gamma n plus 1 upon n, and gamma n plus 1 can also be written as n factorial. Okay. So let's try to solve one example problem regarding these properties or standard results. So one example. So find gamma 7 by 2. Okay. So let's try to find this. Okay, so gamma 7 by 2 can be written as, ఎలా writes దీన్ని? So gamma 5 by 2 plus 1 కింద writes కదా. Okay, so it looks like gamma n plus 1. So let's apply this result, n into gamma n. So which can be, n is here 5 by 2. So n into gamma n. So 5 by 2, gamma 5 by 2. Yes. So again, we can write this 5 by 2 as 3 by 2 plus 1. Yes. Again, we can apply the gamma n plus 1 formula. So which will be 5 by 2 into n into gamma n, right? So n is here now 3 by 2 into gamma n. So gamma 3 by 2. Again, our gamma 3 by 2 can be written as, so this is 15 by 4 into gamma. We can write it as 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Yes. So now gamma n value is n plus 1 value, n plus like, so n value is 1 by 2. So which will be 15 by 4 into n into gamma n. So 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. So yes, so 15 by 8 into gamma 1 by 2 value already we have seen in the standard results, which is nothing but root pi. So root pi. So the final value will be this one, 15 root pi upon 8. Yes, we have to solve like this. Okay. Alright, so let's solve one more example. Easy example. So example, find gamma minus 1 by 2. Okay, let's solve this also. Gamma minus 1 by 2. So here negative values are better use the formula. So already we have seen in the standard results only. So gamma n can be written as gamma n plus 1 upon n. Right, so we use this formula now. So gamma minus 1 by 2 can be written as from according to this formula. So gamma minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2. Right, okay. So which will be minus 2 into gamma, this one will be 1 by 2. So gamma 1 by 2 already we know, so minus 2 root pi. So yes, so this is the value of gamma minus 1 by 2. Alright, so let's see one more example. Find gamma minus 3 by 2 now. Okay, let's see this. So same formula only. So gamma minus 3 by 2 can be written as now gamma n plus 1. So minus 3 by 2 plus 1 upon gamma n. Sorry, n. So which is minus 3 by 2. Okay, so which is equal to minus 2 by 3 into so gamma, this one will be minus 1 by 2. Okay, so which is equal to minus 2 by 3 into, so already we have derived gamma minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but minus 2 root pi. Okay, so let's substitute it, minus 2 root pi. So which is equal to 4 by 3 root pi. That's it, as simple as that. Alright, so let's see the plot of our gamma function once. Okay, so the gamma function plot, gamma of n plot, graph. Let's look graph once. So graph ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే the gamma function graph అనేది. Okay, so let's take this as axis as nx n and this as our gamma n. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 and let's, okay, this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, this is 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4 and this is 0. Okay, we have already seen in the definition of our gamma function, I mean formula of our gamma function. So gamma function is only defined for n greater than 0. So ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే graph for positive n values, so the graph looks like something like this. ఇలా వచ్చి ఇలా వస్తుంది. For our positive n values it is continuous. So for negative n values చూసుకుంటే అంటే minus 1 దగ్గర or minus 2 దగ్గర or minus 3 దగ్గర or minus 4 దగ్గర ఈ నెగిటివ్ n values అంటే నెగిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ దగ్గర ద గ్రాఫ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ దిస్. సో ఇలా వచ్చేస్తుంది. అండ్ సిమిలర్లీ we can plot like this and we can plot like this and we can plot like this. Okay, సో ఇది ఎలా ఉందంటే minus 1 దగ్గర ఇట్ ఈస్ అ డిస్కంటిన్యూస్ బికాస్ ఇక్కడ ఒక వాల్యూ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక వాల్యూ ఉంది. అండ్ సిమిలర్లీ minus 2 దగ్గర ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్కంటిన్యూస్, ఇక్కడ ఒక వాల్యూ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక వాల్యూ ఉంది, రైట్? సో సిమిలర్లీ minus 3 లైక్ దట్. అంటే అవర్ గామా ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ డిఫైన్డ్ at n is equal to 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. That is, our gamma function is discontinuous. So gamma function is discontinuous at negative values of n as well as 0 as well. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So hope you understood. So according to the plot, so the gamma function is only defined for positive values of n, and for negative values of n, I mean negative values of integers, it is discontinuous. So it is clearly visible from the graph. Yes. Okay. Alright, so let's quickly see one note point. So the note point is nothing but one kind of result only. So it is nothing but integral 0 to pi by 2 our sine power something px into cos power qx dx can be written as, in terms of gamma functions, as gamma of p plus 1 by 2 into gamma of q plus 1 by 2 upon 2 times of gamma of p plus q plus 2 by 2. Yes. So ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు we can use our gamma functions as well to solve these kind of problems. But we know this result, right? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power n mx into cos power nx dx. Already we have seen in the previous video. That is nothing but something ఎలా వస్తుంది, p minus 1 into p minus 3 and so on into q minus 1 into q minus 3 and so on upon p plus q into p plus q minus 2 into p plus q minus 4 and so on into pi by 2 if n is even, if m and n are even, p and q are even. Yes. So we can use this result as well as this result also. So better to use this only because it is simpler compared to this. But if you are confident with our gamma functions, so better to use this as well. Yeah. Hope you understood this result. Okay. So let's solve some problems now regarding the gamma functions. So which came in our previous year as well. So previous questions as well. So problems. Let's make it first problem. So the value of the integral I is equal to 1 by root pi integral from 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity is the matram gamma function because our gamma function ranges from 0 to infinity only. So okay, 0 to infinity exponential of minus x square by 8 dx. So we have to find out this one is what. Okay, so let's solve this by using gamma functions. Okay, first of all let's try to remember the gamma function. So gamma of n is nothing but into it. So integral 0 to infinity e power minus x into x power n minus 1 dx. Okay, let's try to use this now. So given I is equal to what? 1 by root pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus x square by 8 dx. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ గామా ఫంక్షన్ డెఫినేషన్లో చూసుకుంటే ఈకి పవర్లో ఏముంది, ఎక్స్ ఉంది. బట్ ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో ఈకి పవర్లో ఏముంది, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై 8 ఉంది. సో లెట్స్ మేక్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై 8 సంథింగ్ టీ. సో యా, సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై 8 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టీ. లెట్ ఓకే, సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది, అండర్ రూట్ 8t అవుతుంది, రైట్? సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ అవర్ dx విల్ బి root x 1 by 2 root. So 1 by 2 root 8t. And 8t ki differentiation is 8 and dt, right? So this is a 4, and which implies our dx is 4 by root 8 into root t ni paiki తీసుకెళ్తే t power minus 1 by 2 అవుతుంది dt. Okay, so if we simplify this, our dx will be what? Root 2 into t power minus 1 by 2 dt. Yes, so this is the dx. Okay, let's see the limits as well. So lower limit ఏమవుతుంది according to this. So put x place లో 0 because lower limit is 0. So t will be 0 by 8, 0, and upper limit t is infinity square by 8, which is infinity only. So limits are not changed, 0 to infinity only. Okay, so let's substitute all these in our integral I. So which will be I is equal to 1 by root 2 pi integral. So limits doesn't change, right? So 0 to infinity e power we assumed x square by 8 as t. So e power minus t into dx emotion, dx is root 2 t power minus 1 by 2 dt. So let's write this. So root 2 into t power minus 1 by 2 dt. Exactly. Okay. So which implies our I is equal to root 2 by 8 raste, this root to this root will get cancelled and become 1 by root pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus t into t power minus 1 by 2 dt. So ఇది మన గామా ఫంక్షన్ ఫామ్లోకి అయితే వచ్చేసింది ఫైనల్లీ. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ ఫార్మ్. సో ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ పవర్ n minus 1 dx. బట్ ఇక్కడ n minus 1 ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది, సో minus 1 by 2 ఉంది. సో లెట్స్ మేక్ n minus 1 ఈక్వల్ టు minus 1 by 2 and find the n value. So here n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Because if we compare with our standard definition or standard formula, so n minus 1 place lo emundi minus 1 by 2 kada. So that's why I equated n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. All right, so which implies n is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which will be 1 by 2. So therefore our I value is 1 by root pi into, so this whole integral value ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది gamma of 1 by 2 అవుతుంది, because we got n as 1 and 1 by 2, so gamma 1 by 2. So that's it, gamma 1 by 2 already we know the value, so which is root pi. So this one get cancelled, therefore our I value is simply 1. Yes, so in this way we have to solve these kind of problems by using our gamma function. Yes. Alright, so let's see one more example, one more problem. So problem number 2, so which is nothing but find the integral value I is equal to a square integral 0 to infinity x into e power minus ax dx. Alright, so let's solve this. So by using integration by parts also we can solve. So ఒకవేళ ఈ gamma function థాట్ రాకపోతే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ని యూస్ చేసి వీ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ఇట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. బట్ ఒకవేళ థాట్ వస్తే మాత్రం బెటర్ టు అప్రోచ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్, సో మన యాక్చువల్ డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారం ఈ పవర్లో మనకి మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా, సో ఇక్కడ ఏఎక్స్ ఉంది. సో బెటర్ మేక్ ఏఎక్స్ యాజ్ అవర్ టీ. సో లెట్ ఏఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టీ, సో విచ్ ఇంప్లైస్ a dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by a, dt by a, and let's see the limits as well. So lower limit, so t is equal to a into 0 0, and upper limit, so t is equal to a into infinity infinity, right? Okay, so our I will be a square integral 0 to infinity x place lo manam em rayali, x place lo we have to write t by a, right? So t by a into e to the power of minus ax plus lo t, so from this into dx is dt by a. Alright, so which implies our I is equal to a square upon a into a square integral 0 to infinity e power minus t into simply t, e power lo 1 ఉంది. Okay, so dt. Okay, it came according to our actual definition, right? So where our n minus 1 వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ 1, so which implies n is equal to 2. So therefore our I value is nothing but gamma of 2. So gamma of 2, alright, so gamma n, so n into gamma, sorry, gamma n plus 1 అనుకుంటే n into gamma n right కదా. So this is gamma 1 plus 1, so 1 into gamma 1. Already we know the gamma 1 values, which is nothing but 1 only. So 1 into 1, which is equal to 1, so value is 1. So that's it, we have to solve like this. Okay, alright, so this is all about the gamma function. Okay, so let's see another function which is nothing but beta function. So this beta function questions అనేవి చాలా రేర్గా వచ్చాయి. సో యా, లెట్స్ సీ బ్రీఫ్లీ ఓన్లీ, ఇన్ డెప్త్గా అయితే ఏం అవసరం లేదు. బీటా ఫంక్షన్, ఓకే, సో బీటా ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ బీటా ఆఫ్ m, n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇంటిగ్రల్, సో లిమిట్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి 0 to 1, అండ్ గామా ఫంక్షన్ లిమిట్స్ వచ్చేసి 0 to infinity. సో ఓకే, 0 to 1 x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx. Yes, where our n should be positive and n also should be positive, అప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఇది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ గామా ఫంక్షన్, సారీ బీటా ఫంక్షన్, which is nothing but integral 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole power n minus 1 dx. Simple. Okay, let's see key points regarding this beta function. Some key points. So the first one is beta of m comma n can be written as beta of n comma m, అంటే we can interchange the m and n parameters. So ఇక్కడ n రాసి ఇక్కడ m రాసినా కానీ సేమ్ వాల్యూ. సో దట్స్ ద ఫస్ట్ కీ పాయింట్. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్, beta m comma n is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 2m minus 1 into theta into cos power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Okay, so this is one kind of result. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, లేకపోతే నో నీడ్, దీనివల్ల పెద్ద ఉపయోగం ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ వన్, బీటా m comma n is equal to in terms of gamma. So this is the interrelation between beta function and gamma function, so better to remember this. So gamma of m into gamma of n upon gamma of m plus n. Yes, so idokati గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే చాలు, ఈ సెకండ్ అవసరం లేదు, బట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇది ఈజీ. సో వీ కెన్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ ద బీటా ఫంక్షన్స్ విత్ పారామీటర్స్. ఓకే, ఆల్ రైట్, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ అవర్ బీటా ఫంక్షన్. సో ఇంతకు మించి ఏం అవసరం లేదు, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఏం రాలేదు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్లో. సో ఎస్, సో దట్స్ ఆల్. Let me give one practice problem related to the gamma function. Practice problem. So please try to solve this and comment the answer in the comment section. So this is nothing but solve integral minus infinity to 0 e to the power of minus x square upon 20 dx. Yes. So please try to solve this, and if you have doubt, so comment in the comment section. I will reply for that doubt. Yes. So yes, that's all. So this is all about the gamma function and beta function. సో దీని మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి వచ్చాయి, బట్ అంత ఫ్రీక్వెంట్గా అయితే రాలేదు, కొంచెం రేర్ అనే చెప్పాలి. బట్ దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఈజీ టాపిక్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఎస్. All right, so let's meet in the next video, and the next concept is nothing but our application of definite integral. So that topic is quite important. Yeah, so let's see in that next video. Yes, if you like my content, please do like, and మీకు ఏమైనా క్వరీస్ ఉంటే comment in the comment section. I will reply for that. Yeah. Okay, so thank you. Let's meet in the next video.